Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add voice over in CapCut. You see, so if you are a beginner and you don't know how you can create your own zone in CapCut, so let me show you how. So basically it's very simple. So you can add your video that you want to the So to make your own voice, just record the sound. So just select or click a record icon, and sorry, I'm going to mute the clip because it's a copyright. I I think it's lagging. Alright, so just click on record icon and just click on red button to start recording. However, you can adjust for the volume and turn on EQ reduction and mute the project. Alright, just click on the red button. Hi guys, and so you can just for the zone. Alright, and you can hear. Hi guys, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.